What's up, everybody? This is your girl Roxy Red, and I am here super excited about this eye that I did. I don't know what the hell I was doing, but I'm glad that I did it. This look was actually inspired by this post I randomly seen on Facebook, and I was like, I like that, sis. Okay, I see what you're doing. But instead of just copying the picture, just color from color, I decided to do a different color, and this is the look that I came with. So for this video, what I'm going to do is just recreate this look and show you how simple and easy it is. And I'm using my Morphe palette. I'll give all the descriptions and everything in the voiceover that I'm doing for this video, so stay tuned. And don't forget, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that